Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Monster Lab, and today we are going to be understand what is the difference between user freezing and deactivating in Salesforce. This video is not going to be only a theoretical, but it is a practical way of understanding what happens in the system when we are deactivating the user and what happens when we are freezing the user. The use case to understand when we are working on an actual real project, how these features are helpful for us to deactivating or freezing of the user. So directly jump to our Salesforce org to understand this in a better way. So I came to my Salesforce org and you can see I have one user with Salesforce platform license, and this is active, and I can see here a freeze button. So first thing I just wanted to be sure here is in my system there are total 3 licenses and 2 are used. So let me freeze this user. So whenever I'm freezing the user, automatically Salesforce will stop this user to log into the system, but it will not release license in the system. So if you refresh this, again you can check here, you can see a total license is 3 and still it is used as a 2, so it is not released the license. Now I'm clicking on edit to deactivate this user. I'm clicking on this. So here you have a catch. So whenever you are deactivating a user, here it is a warning message came, it will be removed from all the groups and sharing privileges. So automatically once you are deactivating the user, all the required sharing and everything will be automatically stopped from the system. And once you click on OK, you click on save. So here is the major difference between the freeze and the deactivating user. When you are deactivating the user, you need to be specify you wanted to be remove this user from an account team, so the case team or any other place. Let it be I'm selecting all this and clicking on save. So once I clicked on save, directly I'm going to the company information, and if you see here my total license is 3 and only 1 is in use, so which means like Salesforce has released my license from the system. Normally in our live project, normally we are freezing the user first, so that user should not be able to log into a Salesforce. So based upon our business use cases, we need to identify this user is the owner of how many records, this user is linked to how many teams. Based upon that, we have to transfer those records to some other user so that business operation cannot be affected. And after doing all those things, we can deactivate the user. And at the same time, if you wanted to do a mass transfer of the records, you can directly write here mass, and you will see an option called mass transfer records. So by using this feature also, you can transfer multiple records from one user to another user. So this is how the industries are working. First you need to freeze the user and then you need to deactivate the user, or after deactivating you can utilize that license for some another user. I hope you like this video. You have a good understanding of difference between freezing the user and deactivating the user. Do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm regularly posting a lot of useful videos related to Salesforce and other technologies, and putting a lot of effort to making a useful videos like this for you. Thank you so much.